Hi, my name is Eric and I'm the startup manager with Sierra Air Conditioning. Today we're going to show you how to use your Ecobee 3 Lite Pro thermostat. This is your Ecobee 3 Lite Pro. This is your main home screen. As you can see, it is letting you know that its system is off, the humidity, and the indoor temperature. On the bottom you have 3 icons. One is your menu, weather, and quick change. To simply turn on the unit, select the off. It brings down a window with options. You can select the heat or cooling, and to change or raise your temperature, select the temperature icon on the side, hold it, and slide your finger up or down to select the temperature. As you can see, it's an orange glow, which allows you to know that it's in heat. It will let you know that the system will run until 11:30 p.m. for that specific desired setting. If you want to change it, simply select the icon for cooling, and now it's light blue. Select the temperature, raise it up or down for your desired setting, let it go. It will let you know that it will run until 11:30 p.m. Now, if you want to go into the menu, simply select the 3 lines on the left. It brings up your main menu. You have your registration, your system, and if you select this, it lets you know that it's in cooling. Now, if you want to run your fan for a certain amount of time, select the fan option. It's set for 40 minutes. You can either raise or lower in 5-minute increments. Once you have selected it, press the arrow. You can go back and then scroll to your menu. You also have sensors. You can have sensors in your home that cooperate with your system. If you want to set your schedule, simply select schedule. It'll give you your sleep, home, and sleep options. To make a change, simply select. You can change the time and save it. Same thing for the home. You can change the time and save it. Now, to go into the actual temperature settings, you want to go to your comfort settings. Select the home, and here you can either raise the temperature or drop the temperature for heating and cooling. You go back. You can also have the fan on continuously when there's heat, or on continuously when there's cooling. It is not necessary, it's just an option. For right now, we will leave them in auto. We have our desired settings, and we will save. You can do this for away as well. Raise your temperature and drop the temperature. Once you have decided, save. Same for sleep. You can raise and lower for your cooling, and save. Once you have those comfort settings, go to your schedule. It will show the adjustments and changes you have made. You can copy this to all your days by simply selecting the specific days that you want to have the same schedule. For this demonstration, we'll select all of them and save. Now, if we select any day, they all have the same settings. If you plan to go on vacation, you can also select vacation. You can hit plus. It'll give you the amount of days that you're going, when you depart, when you return, and the temperature that you want to have your home to be maintained at. Simply hit save. It'll save, and you can change those. You can also have reminders and alerts. If you want to change your filter, it will give you the message. It'll give you an alert, and you can also have some preferences. Just depends on what you want to have a reminder on. You can go to the settings, and it brings you to your date and time. The format, you can change it to 12 or 24 hours. Your date, makes it pretty easy to select dates by sliding up or down. Same for the days and for your year. Once you have selected, save. The date is saved. You can also have the option to change the Pacific Standard Time, or let's say in the United States, you can even go to Anchorage. Now we're closer to Los Angeles, so we will leave it as such and save. You can also go to your Wi-Fi to connect your Wi-Fi. You want to go installation settings, have any access control, and if you make any adjustments that you don't know how to correct, simply come here, press the reset, and it will reset back to your factory settings. For your weather, once you have connected to your Wi-Fi and everything's connected, it will also allow you to register, and it can tell you the actual weather around your neighborhood or your specific zip code or area. For quick changes, you're here. If you're going on vacation, as you can tell, it'll tell you that you cannot do them because you have a vacation setting. Simply go back, exit out of your vacation, and you can have your temperature going back to normal. Or press the X, exit out of your quick changes or your set schedule for vacation, and it brings you back to the main home screen. This can also be allowed to save it when you get home and you have a setting or a temperature for home. As you can tell, it says that you are at home and it will hold the temperature that you have programmed for, which is 76. If you want to change it or move it up or down, you can, and it'll tell you that it's going back to 11:30. To change that, just exit out of there. It will bring you back to the set schedule as before. Thank you for watching, and for more video tutorials, please visit us at crconditioning.com.